Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create a certificate authority to sign the apps you want to install on your Mac. So first we need to go to keychain access. So I'm just gonna open Spotlight here, keychain access. So just click open keychain access, enter your password, and you are in. Now to create a certificate authority, you need to navigate to the top menu bar and select keychain access, and here over to certificate assistant and choose create a certificate authority. Just follow these steps. So for the name, I just wanna name this organization, and leave the identity type and select from this drop down menu bar and select code signing. Now check let me override defaults and enter your email. So I'm just gonna enter a random email. If you have a email that you need to enter, just do it. So here's my email. I'm just gonna copy it so that I won't have to enter it manually. And now once it's done, let's proceed. So click continue. And now here, because I did create a certificate last time, I just don't need to make this the serial number 1. I will change this to 2. And here you can enter the validity period. So it depends on your needs. So for me, because I don't want it to expire, so I'm just gonna enter a higher random number. For example, 4,560. So that it will expire on December of 2037. Leave uncheck the create a CAE website, and because I did create a certificate authority last time, so this one gets checked. But in your end, if you are creating the certificate for the first time, this will be unchecked. So just leave it as it is, unchecked. So uncheck create a certificate website, create a CA website, and uncheck also the sign your invitation, and just hit continue. Now we need to enter the email address that we've entered in the first place. So I'm gonna enter my email address that I created, and you're gonna enter yours. So my email address is mycompany@mail.com, and organization is my name that I entered earlier. And let's see if it lets us proceed without having to fill up these things. So we're gonna hit continue. So then here, just leave it as it is. Continue. And now here, so check this extension is critical, check it. And under capabilities, just make sure that you check certificate signing, signature, and check the CRL signing, and then proceed, hit continue. And also again, still check certificate signing and CRL signing, and hit continue again. And here, just leave this unchecked and hit continue. In this step also, just hit continue. In this step, leave it as it is and hit continue. Also hit continue again. And here you can also leave it as it is. Just hit continue, and here click the drop down menu and change it to system. and check this one. On this machine, trust certificates signed by this CA. And finally, hit create. Just gonna enter my password here. And you're gonna enter yours. Enter again. So there you go. So your certificate authority organization has been created and is ready to issue certificates. So that's how you can create certificate authority on your Mac. So you can use this certificate to sign your codes to be able to open the apps you want to install outside from the App Store. So that's it. I hope this helps you guys, and this is only a tutorial for how you can create certificate authority on your Mac. Maybe in the future I will create how can you code sign your app. So if you want that, leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. This has been D from DLTV. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.